Imagine a team of gardeners working 24/7. They don't use shovels, they don't drive tractors, and they never ask for a paycheck. Yet, they are responsible for planting millions of trees across the planet every single day. Who are they? They're flying right over your head. Welcome to Wingtails, where we explore the magical world of birds. Today, we'll uncover how birds act as nature's gardeners, shaping landscapes and helping forests thrive. When we think of birds, we think of beautiful songs, colorful feathers, or maybe a backyard feeder. But behind that delicate exterior lies nature's most powerful ecosystem engineer. Without birds, some of the world's most magnificent forests wouldn't even exist. Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing science of how birds act as nature's ultimate gardeners and literally build entire forests from scratch. Let's start with a dirty little secret that keeps our planet green: poop. In the scientific world, there's a fancy word called Endozoochory. Don't let the jargon fool you. It basically means seed dispersal via an animal's digestive tract. When a bird eats a wild berry or fruit, it digests the juicy flesh, but the hard seed inside remains intact. As the bird flies away, sometimes traveling miles, it eventually deposits that seed in a neat little package of natural fertilizer. Why this matters? A seed dropped by a bird has a massively higher chance of survival than a seed that just falls straight down from its parent tree. Why? Because if a seed falls right under its parent tree, it has to fight for sunlight, water, and nutrients in the shadow of a giant. But a bird carries that seed to a brand new, sunny location, perfectly pre-packaged in its own nutrient-rich compost. Talk about a premium gardening service. But birds don't just plant trees by accident through digestion. Some birds are highly intentional, strategic farmers. Well, mostly intentional. Take the Eurasian jay or the Clark's Nutcracker. These birds are obsessed with hoarding food for the winter. A single Clark's Nutcracker can harvest and bury up to 98,000 seeds in a single season. They hide them in small caches across thousands of acres. Now, these birds have incredible memories, but nobody's perfect. If you think small birds doing backyard gardening is impressive, let's talk about the heavy lifters of the rainforest: hornbills and toucans. Tropical rainforests rely heavily on large-seeded trees, the giant hardwoods that absorb the most carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. Small animals can't swallow these massive seeds. Enter the hornbills. Known as the farmers of the forest, hornbills can fly for miles with giant seeds in their bellies, dispersing them across fragmented or degraded parts of the jungle. Humans can plant trees with shovels, but we can never match the precision, scale, and cost-effectiveness of millions of birds working around the clock. Birds also maintain balance. By spreading diverse seeds, they prevent monocultures and encourage biodiversity. Example: fruit pigeons in tropical islands keep rainforests alive by dispersing rare tree species. Without birds, many plants would vanish and forests would shrink. Of course, birds aren't perfect gardeners. They drop seeds in odd places, on rooftops, in cracks, even in your backyard. But that's the beauty of it. Their messy gardening style creates unexpected green patches everywhere. Light humor. Next time you see a sprout in a random spot, thank a bird for its clumsy planting skills. When birds feast on fruits, they don't just enjoy a snack. They carry seeds far and wide. Example: hornbills in Asia and toucans in South America swallow fruits whole, later dropping seeds in new locations. This process, called ornithochory, seed dispersal by birds, ensures forests spread beyond their boundaries. Fun fact: a single hornbill can disperse thousands of seeds in a season. Birds remind us that forests aren't man-made. They're bird-made too. Protecting birds means protecting the future of forests. Conservation isn't just about saving species. It's about saving the gardeners of our planet. So, how do we help nature's finest gardeners? It's simpler than you think. Plant native plants and trees in your yard to give local birds the food they need. Keep your cats indoors or supervised, as they are a major threat to songbirds. Every time you hear a bird singing outside your window, remember, you're not just listening to music. You're listening to the architect of tomorrow's forests. What's your favorite bird to watch in your backyard? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and share it with a friend to spread the word about our amazing feathered gardeners. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.